We sometimes have stamps that are stuck together. These can be new stamps or canceled stamps. They stick together due to humidity and ambient air. The first thing to do is to gather them together. And we are going to immerse them in warm water. We are going to immerse them in warm water so that they separate. Not in too hot water that can do wrong to the stamp. Making sure that the stamps are completely submerged, therefore completely in the water. After about 10 minutes, the stamps have separated. They must then be placed on blotting paper, Konqeson paper. Here I use a paper that is quite thick, that holds well to dry the stamps well and keep them flat. We are going to collect all the stamps with a pair of tweezers, and we are going to place them on the blotting paper, next to each other, to make sure they don't overlap. The blotting paper is thick enough to collect all the water and humidity that is there during this operation. We put the stamps on one side or the other. It doesn't matter much. There you go, the last stamp arrives. It's here. We're going to close our blotting paper, like this. You have to press it a little so that it stays flat. And we're going to check that there is no glue left on the back of the stamp. If there is any glue left, the stamp will stick to the blotting paper. It's not a big deal, but we check that there is no glue on the back of the stamps. I gather the stamps in the same place to facilitate drying. There you go, all the stamps are in the same place. I add a small weight, a small wooden board that will put pressure on the part of the blotting paper where the stamps are. The weight will stay overnight, or half a day. At the end of the half day or the next day, I collect our blotting paper and the stamps that are dry. Now, they are completely dry. I can take them with tweezers, or take them by hand delicately. Sometimes, it is easier to take them by hand. There you go. So we're going to check that all the stamps are in good condition, that there are no traces of glue on the backside. There is no shine, so no glue, and all the stamps will be positioned again to be able to check them before putting them away. Here is the last stamp. We're going to put the one that interests us in the album in the right place. It's a stamp from an African country, and so we're going to put it with the African countries. It's a stamp from Madagascar. Once we've done that, we've positioned the stamp that we wanted to keep. The other stamps will be gathered together to put in a duplicate stamp pocket. Thank you for visiting Stamps Out of the Box. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and comment. For other videos, please. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.